wishes to everyone. Welcome back to social class. See, we are seeking that natural resources. That is, this is your geography, lesson 1 and term 2, right? So keep it in your mind. And we are seeking what? Natural resources. இயற்கை வளங்கள். Yes. So natural resources we are seeking. And what is natural resources? See here, all resources directly provided by the nature. Yes. So we are getting directly by the nature. That is the natural resources. See, natural resources growth. That is growth in nature, right? So we are that is developed our growth in nature. Natural resources. Fertility. It shows the fertility, right? So fertile of nature, fertility in nature, growth of nature. So these are all the natural resources, right? So all resources directly provided by the nature is named as what? Is known as natural resources. Yes. See, let's see about the classification. See, it is having a classification. See, classification. What are the classification? That is on the basis of origin, on the basis of development, on the basis of renewability. Yes. So these are all the classification. But now we are seeking the at present on the basis of origin, right? See, on the basis of origin is classified into two parts, that is biotic resources and abiotic resources. Yes, so we are going to see about the differentiation, that is difference between the biotic resources and abiotic resources, right? See, what is biotic resources? See, in generally biotic means that is living things. Yes. Abiotic means opposite of that. It is non-living things. Yes. So what are the living things? It is living being, right? See, animals, birds, yes, human being, yes. So these are all the living things. And here and as well as the microorganisms, the cells inside the body, yes. So these things will consider as that is living things, biotic resources. And apart from biotic resources, the remaining things will be that is abiotic resources. Yes, non-living things, right? So that is the difference between, there is a main difference between biotic resources and abiotic resources. So let's see deeply about the biotic and abiotic resources. So this is one of the classification on the basis of origin of that is natural resources. Let's see one by one. Biotic resources. First, what is meant by biotic resources? It's nothing but living things. It's based on living things, right? See here, organized by, this is biotic resources are organized by human. Yes, so this is always organized by man. Yes, and here while comparing to this, see, abiotic resources are sought after by early man. Yes, so sought after by the human. Yes, sought means what? Still in process, that is attempt. Still they are trying to process. Yes, but they have done the work. Yes, they have done all the work in this biotic resources. But in abiotic resources, always they are in process. They are in developing stage. Yes, so they can't able to done that work. Yes, so they are doing attempt. Sought means what? Attempt. That is just trial, right? So sought after by early men, right? Humans, right? So sought after by the humans. So that is the difference between both abiotic and that is biotic and abiotic resources. Next one, see, always we are in needs. That is at least any one of the needs we are having, right? So see here in biotic resources, see there are some basic needs. So what are the basic needs? Food, cloth, shelter. See, in the beginning, in the ancient period, that is old age, see, the people are at these needs of the beginning stage. Yes, so these are all the basic needs of all the humans, right? See, food, first one is food, then cloth. Yes, cloth is very, very essential for us, right? Then shelter, to live, to stay, right? So these are the basic needs. This is the, we should not, we can't avoid these things, right? So we always need these three: food, cloth and shelter. So these are the basic needs in biotic resources. Yes, because biotic resources always refers to what? Living things. Yes, so living things always need these three things, right? So in secured manner, right? Then comparing with that, abiotic resources. Here, abiotic resources needs, here it needs tools, right, from hunting to agriculture. Yes, so here this is the non-living thing, right? So it always needs tools, materials, metals. Yes, so here the needs of what? Tools. It always needs tools, right? Weapons to hunt the animals. Yes, to agriculture work, right? They are in still processing work. They are not ready to do any work now, right? Still they are attempting, they are trying. Yes, so keep on trying, right? But they have done in this biotic resources, right? And see, next one is primary activities. See here, biotic resources, see, primary or activities are hunting, food gathering, fishing, forestry, right? So after that is after the completion of, after satisfying the needs, they are switched on to, see here, they are switched on to primary activities. See, what are the primary activities presenting in biotic resources? Hunting, food. That is, hunting means you know that. See, hunting and food gathering, right? So they have to collect the food for future use, right? See, so not only for the present, yes, for present food. See, they have to gather, they have to collect more foods for future use. Yes, then fishing, forestry, right? So these are all the primary activities involved in biotic resources. Next, we're coming to the abiotic resources. See here, what are the activities? Only the mining is the main activities here. Yes, see, performing here. Mining means what? See, the process of extracting metals or minerals or materials from the earth. Yes, so that is the mining, right? In Tamil we used to say suranga. Yes, suranga. Yes, then mining means what? The process of extracting metals or minerals or materials from the earth. Yes, so that is known as what? Mining. So mining among economic activities. So what are the primary activities here? Only the mining is the primary activity in abiotic resources. So mining activity among the economic activities, right? So economic status, that is economic activities. So that is the difference between both. Next, we're coming to the last, that is cultivating, here in agriculture. Last one is cultivating. See, they have done all the work. Yes, so they have completed all the work, they have satisfied, yes, everything. So they just switch on to the cultivating process and reared in agriculture. So agriculturing work, yes, farming process. So directly they are switching to the next work, next process. But here they have they are in process, they are searching the land form to do agriculture work, right? See, they have found abiotic resources, found copper first and iron later. Yes, they have done only this work alone. See, they have found that is abiotic resources, found copper first. First they have found the copper and later iron. So only they have done this work alone. Yes, but they are in still process, right? They are in still developing stage. But here they have finished all the work, they have completed, they have satisfied everything and all the work here in biotic resources. So they are switching to the next process, right? So they are searching for that is they are completing all the works for the future use. Yes, but still they are in searching work, still they are in process, right? So these are all the difference between biotic resources and abiotic resources. See, let me repeat. See, biotic means living things. It based on, it refers to living things, and here abiotic resources are, it is non-living things. It is based on, explains about the non-living things. Yes, see, such as what are the non-living things? That is light, temperature. Yes, so bench, table, books, notes. Yes, so then weathering, climatic, everything. So which are all except it's apart from the living things. Remaining things will be considered as what? Non-living things. Yes. So that is the abiotic resources. So these are all the difference between biotic resources and abiotic resources. So that's a student. I hope you all understand. Thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.